What is up, guys? This is Chris, aka No Risk, No Premium. Guys, today I wanted to come in and just give you a very quick weekly recap and ready for Friday Lotto for tomorrow. I'm going to just do a quick, very quick overview of SPY here. As we could see today, guys, um, it is no wonder that we had the low at where today. Well, we have 451.52 on the 20-day moving average on the weekly chart. I think our close price on today was 451.64. If I'm not mistaken, I believe it was here. Yep, 451.64, and we are at 451.52. Interesting stuff here. So I mean, not interesting. I mean, well, yeah, not surprising and not or very interesting, because that's exactly where we thought we were going to go to. Now, what else is interesting, right? I'm on the weekly chart here, of course. So you can see the fucking absolute ripper up from the bottom of the last FOMC meeting, and now we have a shooting star candle, it looks like here, that could be going on, but we still have tomorrow. But what I do want to say is, look, 452 is right here, right, 451. Excuse me, 451.52 is the 20-day moving average, which is the dotted line here on the weekly. Okay, now I want to zoom out. Okay, I want to zoom out, or I'm sorry, zoom in one. We're going to go to the daily. Okay, now we have the daily chart here, right? What else do we have right in this 451, 452 area? 452.05, we had what? The 8 exponential moving average. So 451.50 and 452, we had two major levels. So there's no surprise that we close right in that area. So now what happens tomorrow? Well, I don't fucking know, to be honest with you, but I could tell you this. 10 billion sell side to MOC into the close on a pretty much straight up 5-point drop in the last 10 minutes. An absolute way to completely annihilate bulls and completely suck in everybody to go short overnight, only for us to have a ripper at open tomorrow. I mean, that would only make sense to me. Now, tomorrow, what's going to happen? I don't know, but we know this, guys. What do we know this? 456, 458, 461 upside numbers. Very easy to see here. Okay. 456, 458, 461. Okay. Very simple. Now let's zoom out here for just a second. Let's see this triple top that everybody was talking about, right? We had one time, two times. I mean, technically three there on that day, but we just ended up dropping right back down. And now we went back up here. I guess it would be a fourth time, right? But what was very interesting, and we'll go to the 4-hour here to see, for the previous 2 days, we had actually used, actually, we'll just go right here. We had actually used, right, the 458 as support once, twice, and then we broke through. So we had huge resistance turn support, had a nice bull trap up here to completely drop the bottom out. Now, we know this as well. Okay, where we open tomorrow is very important. So we're obviously going to have some updates for a community. I'll make sure I type those in the morning. But I could tell you this: what are the levels to the downside? Well, very simple levels, guys. Right where we're at now, right, which is what? The 20-day moving average on the weekly. It's 451.50. Okay, 451.52. Then we've got what? Go to the daily, and we've got what? Right underneath there, or I'm sorry, right above there was 452.05. Now you guys have to know we gapped up, or I'm sorry, we pushed higher in after hours. So we'll see what the morning brings us. But we're right about 453 right now on SPY. 453.50-ish is the bid ask in between. So 452 to the downside, 451.50. And if we absolutely really want to get froggy, we can get down here to the 200-day moving average, is this dotted line, which is what? 447. Excuse me, 447 is this line right here. You could see it highlighted right there. One note I did want to talk about here on the weekly chart is what? Right? Is what? Where is, right? Where is the next major exponential moving average here on the weekly chart? Is the 21 days, this red solid line, is 446. So we have 447, 446, which are two major levels, right? The 200-day moving average on the daily, That's the simple moving average. And then we have the 21-day exponential moving average here on the weekly chart. So would that be a major level? I think so. And why would it be a major level? Well, it we broke through it before, back tested it, got through, and then ripped down. Then we tried to get up here to do it again. We couldn't make it. Then we tested it here and got through, and then we back tested down to go higher. So it's very much a magnet sort of support and resistance for us. So do we get a nice bounce off it tomorrow? I don't know if it comes tomorrow. Okay, but that is a downside number, guys. So what do we have to the upside was 456, right? 456, 458, 460, downside 452, 451-ish, really 451, 452. And then after that, really, you could look at 450-ish, but then it'd be 447. Okay, 447, 46. And then you see all these MAs all bunched up down here. Now, I don't really think they're going to completely sell us off, but I do believe we will end the week below 458 no matter what. Below 458, we will end the week. Okay. And you can see where these candles, the last time we tried to test it, they both ended under 450. Does that happen again? I don't know. Okay, but it's possible. So be ready. 456, 458, 461 to the upside. Downside is 451/2, where we're kind of at right now. 450, 447. Okay, 447. It would make sense to trap, to completely short squeeze the shorts that went short at the bottom and try to short the whole. And we rip higher tomorrow to only fade down after trying to get to 456, right? 456 possible. We'll see what happens. The overnight action will be rather telling, and we'll know better in the morning. I'll be out with Trell tomorrow morning. We'll make sure we have a game plan for you guys set in stone. Make sure we get every call out that we're into you guys. We'll make sure that we absolutely bank tomorrow. Hope you guys have had a great rest of your day and a great rest of your evening. We'll see y'all bright and early. See ya.